Hey guys, so in this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily create a Google Calendar event link. So it's actually very simple. First, you want to go to your Google Calendar, and then you just want to schedule your event. Let's say I'm going to hold a meeting tomorrow at Thursday. So you just want to make your event. I'm going to add my title over here and make sure that you are in the event tab. And then you just also want to choose the time. You can change it here. And then just click on Add Google Meet Video Conferencing. Then there you go. You already have your event link. You just want to go ahead and copy that. Save your event so that it's here in your calendar. Then the link you copied, you can just go ahead and paste it or send it to anyone that you want to join the meeting. So that's it. Thanks for watching.